Okay guys, so we are going to update our MacBook. So you can see this is our MacBook. Right now you can see the version 1 is macOS Sonam. Okay, so you can see this. This is macOS 14.6, and if you click on more info you can see the complete detail here. Okay, so which version we are using? So macOS Sonoma. Okay, Sonoma version 14.6 we are using this one. And if you want to update it, where to update? You will get the update in the settings. So you can go to system setting, and you can system setting, you can see if the update is available. You will see option here, software update available. You can see it's checking for updates, so you have to wait for a few minutes, might be 1 or 2 minutes, and it will show you if there is any update available or not. So here you can see here macOS new update is available here, and that update is about 7.52 GB. So new update for all MacBook users, either you are using MacBook Air M1, M2, M3, M4, or you are using MacBook Pro version. So just click on upgrade now. Okay, so you can see the terms and condition here. Just scroll down and click on agree. Now you have to type your password. Click on OK, and it will download, and your macOS will be upgraded in this way. So in this way you can upgrade your MacBook in very few simple steps. I hope you understand. If still you have any doubt regarding update, if you fail to update, you can ask me through the comment section. It will just install the updates after downloading and ask you for reboot. So simply reboot the system after installation if it asks you, and then done. So if you want to watch the downloading process, so you can see it's downloading. I'm using the internet speed of 150 Mbps. So the size, it will take approx 20 minutes. You can see here it will take 20 minutes. So it's useless to wait 20 minutes just to see the downloading. That's why I'm not want to make this video more longer. You don't need more any conceptual things after this one. Simply after downloading it will install it and ask you for reboot. Simply reboot the system and done. Thank you for watching.